When your teacher sends you a meeting invite, it shows up in your email. A meeting invite has accept, tentative, which means you may or may not attend, and decline. You want to use the accept button. Don't decline your teacher meetings. When you click accept, there are 3 options underneath it. The best that you can choose is do not send a response. That way, it goes straight to your calendar and your teacher's email isn't filled with 100 responses. Now you see it's disappeared from here because it has gone to my calendar. So if I just hover the mouse over calendar view, it shows me that I have a meeting today at 3:30. I can also click the calendar icon and see it here. The location is the URL of the Zoom meeting or whatever meeting format is being used. And when you click that link, it takes you to the meeting that you've accepted. You will also get a reminder that will pop up. In between 5 and 15 minutes before each scheduled meeting that you've accepted, a reminder pops up, and you can also get to the meeting that way. But every meeting that your teacher sends you, accept, it goes straight to your calendar, and there's almost no way you can miss it.